Hi once again. So today we're going to be looking at understanding and calculating profit and loss. Now, if we're going into business or understanding how business works, we're going to want to know if we're making a profit or a loss. Okay, otherwise we may not know what to charge our customers. So when we're talking about profit and loss, we're talking about the difference between a cost price. So that's how much did it cost a business to make a particular product, compared or versus our sales price. Okay? Alright, so just like in our last lesson, we talked about discounts, and that's fine to give discounts in business, but we need to know that we're not giving so much of a discount that we're actually going to be making a loss. So let's get started. Okay, so for in this example, let's say we're here and we manufacture computers. So in here is our computer. Now, it has to come at a cost, okay? So for us to make a cost, we go into manufacturing, we have costs, and then we're making a computer. Out here, we need to understand what our sales price is. So what is it that we're going to be selling that computer? So in this case, let's say our computer cost us $400 to make. Okay, and our sales price is going to be $1,400. So how we work out whether we're making a profit or loss is that we have to have our sales price, okay, less our cost price. So in this case, it would be 1,400 take 400. So our net effect here is $1,000. Let me add those in. Because our cost price is less than our 1,400 here, we've actually made a profit. So we can call this profit. Okay? Now, when we're calculating discounts, we can also say that's part of our cost price as well. If it costs us $400 and we know the sales price is 14 and we give a 90% discount, then it's going to actually end up being less than 400, which is not great business. Let's have another go at another example. Okay, so I'm going to abbreviate now cost price as CP. So when you see CP, that means cost price. SP will mean our sales price. Okay, so in this particular product, let's say our cost price was $50. And our sales price now is going to be $120. Remember before, we need to have our sales price take our cost price, which will give us our profit or loss, depending on how we've gone. So in this case, our sales price here is $120. Take our cost price of $50. So our profit, because this one is less, it costs us less than what we're selling for, okay, then our sales, or profit I should say, is now $70. Now let's change it up a bit. Let's say, let me rub out that bit, and we'll rub out this bit. Let's say, for example, we've got a brand new product on the market. It actually costs us more than what the customer is willing to pay. Let's say something costs us $150, but our sales price, we can actually only get $125. So our sales price, $125, take our $150, which means we've actually made a loss of $25, which is actually a loss. Easy. Okay, now I would like you to have a go at some. So let's go number one. Let's say our cost price is $105 and our sales price is let's say it's 115 dollars. Number 2, cost price is 425. Our sales price is 385. Number 3, sales price. Now be careful, I'm changing them around, so don't always expect that I'm going to put cost price first. It's not always going to be the way. Our sales price is $1,250 and our cost price is $875. Oh, let me try that. And one last one, we're going to buy a car. Now in this case our cost price is going to be $9,750, but our sales price is going to be $50,150. Okay, so work those out and bring them into class.